Today we have some exciting leaks and rumors surrounding Canon's highly anticipated mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R9. While Canon has yet to officially unveil this new addition to its lineup, multiple sources have suggested that the EOS R9 could serve as a mirrorless successor to the widely popular Canon EOS RP. If these reports hold true, this camera may significantly reshape the landscape for mid-tier, full-frame mirrorless cameras by offering high-end features at a competitive price point. One of the most significant rumored features of the Canon EOS R9 is its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. This upgrade would be a major step up for photographers, as full-frame sensors inherently provide superior image quality compared to APS-C sensors. They excel in low-light conditions by capturing more light, leading to reduced noise and improved detail retention. With 33 megapixels, the EOS R9 is expected to strike an excellent balance between capturing intricate details and maintaining manageable file sizes. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, striking portraits, or high-detail macro shots, this sensor could deliver unparalleled clarity and depth. However, a high-resolution sensor alone doesn't guarantee exceptional performance. Autofocus capability is equally crucial, and the EOS R9 is rumored to include Canon's cutting-edge dual-pixel autofocus 2 system. This technology has been lauded for its fast and precise focusing, making it ideal for photographers who need to track moving subjects. Wildlife photographers could benefit from effortlessly capturing birds in flight, while event photographers would be able to lock focus on fleeting moments during weddings or concerts. Even in challenging low-light environments, this autofocus system is expected to perform exceptionally well, ensuring that every shot is sharp and accurately focused. When it comes to videography, the Canon EOS R9 is generating considerable excitement among content creators. According to leaks, the camera may support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second without any crop, allowing filmmakers to utilize the full sensor size. This would enable professional quality footage with sharp details and rich colors. Additionally, rumors suggest that Canon may include slow-motion capabilities, possibly offering 4K at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second. These high frame rates open up a range of creative possibilities, allowing for breathtaking slow-motion shots that add dramatic flair to any video project. Another rumored highlight of the EOS R9 is its burst shooting capabilities. Reports suggest that the camera will be capable of capturing up to 30 frames per second with continuous autofocus, making it a dream tool for action and sports photographers. Whether it's a race car speeding around a track, an athlete crossing the finish line, or a bird taking flight, the combination of high-speed burst shooting and Canon's renowned autofocus system could make the EOS R9 a top choice for fast-paced photography. Low-light performance is another area where the Canon EOS R9 is expected to shine. With its full-frame sensor and the possible inclusion of Canon's latest Digic processor, the camera could deliver stunning results even at high ISO settings. This would enable photographers to shoot in dimly lit environments without introducing excessive noise, making it perfect for night photography, indoor events, and astrophotography. Whether you're capturing city skylines at night or shooting an intimate candlelit scene, the EOS R9 could ensure vibrant colors and impressive detail. Beyond image quality and performance, usability and versatility are crucial considerations for modern photographers. The EOS R9 is expected to feature a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, providing a precise and immersive shooting experience. Additionally, a fully articulating touchscreen would offer flexibility for different shooting angles, making it particularly appealing to vloggers and content creators who require dynamic framing options. The camera is also expected to be fully compatible with Canon's RF lenses, while an adapter will allow photographers to use EF lenses without any compromises. This level of adaptability ensures that users can continue to utilize their existing glass while benefiting from the advancements in Canon's mirrorless technology. Connectivity is another rumored strong point of the EOS R9. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities could make file sharing and remote camera control seamless. Whether you're quickly transferring images to your smartphone for social media or sending high-resolution files to a client, the EOS R9 is expected to integrate smoothly into a modern, fast-paced workflow. For professionals and hobbyists alike, the convenience of instant sharing is a valuable feature. Market positioning of the Canon EOS R9 is another intriguing aspect. According to reports, the camera is expected to sit between the EOS RP and higher end models like the EOS R6, offering a compelling blend of affordability and premium features. The expected price range of $999 to $2,000 could make the EOS R9 an attractive option for both photography enthusiasts and professionals looking for high-end performance without the flagship price tag. The competition in the mirrorless market is fierce, and the Canon EOS R9 will likely go head-to-head with models like the Nikon Z5, Sony a7 III, and Panasonic S5 Mark II. Each of these cameras has its strengths, but the EOS R9's rumored features could give it a significant edge. While the Nikon Z5 offers a full-frame sensor, it may lack the same resolution as the EOS R9. The Sony a7 III, despite being a solid performer, is starting to show its age in terms of processing power and autofocus capabilities. Meanwhile, while the Panasonic S5 Mark II is favored among videographers, the EOS R9's rumored low-light performance and autofocus system could make it a more well-rounded choice. Additional rumors suggest that the EOS R9 may include in-body image stabilization (IBIS), which would be a game-changer for handheld shooting. IBIS would help reduce motion blur and provide smoother video footage, particularly beneficial for those using telephoto lenses or shooting in low-light conditions. If Canon includes this feature, the EOS R9 could become a top contender for hybrid shooters who require versatility across different types of photography and videography. Battery life is another important factor, and speculation suggests that Canon may introduce an improved battery system for the EOS R9. This would allow photographers and videographers to shoot for extended periods without worrying about frequent recharges, making it an excellent option for travel photography and long shooting sessions. Additionally, the camera is rumored to feature enhanced weather sealing, providing better protection against dust and moisture. For outdoor and adventure photographers, this would be a crucial advantage when shooting in unpredictable environments. While Canon has yet to announce an official release date for the EOS R9, many speculate that the camera could arrive in 2025. If the rumors prove accurate, this model could be a significant addition to the mirrorless market, offering a perfect balance of performance, features, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring photographer, the Canon EOS R9 could be the tool that helps bring your creative vision to life. As we await further details, anticipation for the Canon EOS R9 continues to grow. If Canon delivers on these rumored specifications, this camera could be one of the most exciting mirrorless releases of the coming year. Stay tuned, keep your lenses ready, and prepare for what could be one of Canon's most impressive innovations yet.